Café de Paris butter. It's one of the most famous compound butters you can make, and you usually serve it with an entrecote or a beef steak. But I'm going to show you how delicious it is with simple steamed asparagus. When asparagus are in season, I just love to serve it with this butter. So let's start with the all-important butter. I'm using a certified organic butter. This one's an Australian butter. It's just such a beautiful butter. It's also salted, so I'm not going to add any extra salt to this. And I have brought it out of the fridge a couple of hours ago. You want it to be really soft so it blends in with all of our ingredients. So we'll just take it out of the pack and I'll grab my knife and we're just going to cut that. Look how gorgeous that is. I'm just going to cut it into chunks and then into cubes. That can go straight into our food processor. And this compound butter doesn't work when you make a small amount. You need to make a good amount, so 250 grams is just perfect, just so it catches all the ingredients as it mixes in the food processor. Okay, to this I'm going to add some other really interesting flavours, so some Dijon mustard. And the name Café de Paris, it sounds like it comes from France, but in actual fact, it originates in Switzerland. In with some Worcestershire sauce, which is going to give it a really lovely savoury flavour, just a splash. Some garlic, clove of garlic that's been freshly minced. Some anchovies. It's not going to give it a fishy taste at all. It's going to give it a really nice salty flavour. So just a few fillets of the anchovies. Use really good quality ones for this. Good quality butter, good quality ingredients. Some chives and some French shallot. And ideally you want French shallot for this because it's milder in flavour as opposed to onion, which is just a little bit too intense. I'm just going to add 3/4 of this. And this is what makes it quite different. Some curry powder, just a small amount, about half a teaspoon of curry powder goes in. And finally the zest of a lemon. Okay, that's it. So lid goes on. And we're going to blend this until it's really smooth. All right, have a look at this perfectly whipped butter. It's turned into this gorgeous pale green colour. I'll take the blade out and I'm just going to scoop this into a bowl. See how soft and fluffy it is? That's what we're after. So that's why it's super important to get that butter to room temperature. So in the bowl it goes. And if you're not going to use this all at once, then it stores really easily in the freezer. Just place it onto a piece of cling film, wrap it up so it's like a cylinder in the freezer. So next time you have some asparagus like this or a piece of meat, you just need to chop a piece off. So really handy tip there. All right, I'm going to serve a generous dollop of this Café de Paris on our asparagus. Oh, just like that. This butter is so versatile. Yes, fantastic with a steak over a roast chicken, but it's also really delicious on simple steamed vegetables just like this. And don't just stop at asparagus. Café de Paris butter is also fantastic with roasted pumpkin, roasted zucchini, even sweet potato. Oh, look at that, isn't it stunning?